When buyers walk into your family room, does it feel cozy and is it an atmosphere that they want to spend time in? Or is it full of toys and remote controls? In this segment, I'm going to share with you how to create a family room that the buyers and renters cannot resist. What's the difference between a living room and a family room? Well, I like to describe it like this. The living room is that place that's formal, no TV, no distractions. You can just enjoy conversation or just crawl up in the nook or in the couch and read a book. The family room is usually deeper in the house, and it's that private place, I would say, that families gather. They can watch TV, play games. It's just a little more casual than the formal living room. And in this space, this was built in the 1980s, 1990s. This was all sheetrock. There's nothing like a fireplace to cozy up a family room. But there was this trend where they just made big holes with sheetrock and it was like bigger is better. And the problem with that is, and I've styled many homes that have had a similar design, it just is cold and it's impractical. It doesn't really have a purpose. So we took that same ledge stone and brought it into the family room to create a look of an actual stone fireplace. And then on the sides, we had custom wine racks made to fill those big spaces. So that, along with creating a cozy family atmosphere, has really made this family room a place that people want to spend time. We're in the family room of a property that I just listed. It's under contract and we're getting ready to sell. So I just staged this home. I didn't completely furnish it. But one thing I want to share with you that I think is a really big mistake that people make in either their home that they're living in or in a staged home is they put the artwork too high. And what happens with that is that it disconnects from the rest of the room. And in particular, it can disconnect from the furniture. So one of the tips I want to share with you when you're staging a home or you're designing your home is to keep artwork at eye level and make sure that there's not too big of a gap where it completely disconnects from the furniture and the rest of the room. This family room is just one of the techniques that I share with you in my book, 7 Seconds. If you want to create every room in your home to be as beautiful and cozy as this one, get your copy of 7 Seconds today. God has created this world to be beautiful, and He has put creativity into you and I, and it's very important that we are in beautiful spaces as well. It's easier than you think, it's less expensive than you think, and after you read through the 7 Seconds book, I believe that you will be on a journey to create your own beautiful space. Order your copy today. You can get it by clicking on the link in the description.